I'm Larry Kloss with MaxHome. Welcome back. I'm here with our Director of Sales, Alex Athas. Alex, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So, Alex has thousands of stories over the years, but you want to tell us a story that's kind of special to you about the effect that MaxHome has had on people.
Yes. So I have a story. It's a personal story. I have an uncle of mine, not really an uncle, but such a good friend of the family that we consider him to be an uncle. We grew up with their children, went to school together. Our parents have been best friends. Mr. Mike's wife had passed about 2 years previously, and it took a big physical toll on him. You always hear how when people are married for so long and their spouse dies, usually it can take a toll on the other. And right around that same time, he was also diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. So that also brought on, an increased deterioration of his body. So his children gave me a call and they said, "Hey Alex, I know you guys do bathrooms. Is there anything you can do to help, Mr. Mike? He has a shower. He's getting to the point where they may have to put him in a home. But they wanted him to be able to stay in the house so they could spend time with him." So I said, well, let's see. So we went out there, we took a look. It was a custom job. Traditionally custom jobs are difficult, and some of them we can't even do. So this is one that I feel fortunate. I actually went to you, explained the situation to you, and you said, hey, let's find a way to make it work. So I then went to Chris Petrie, who's our production manager, and explained the situation to him, and he said, hey, let's find a way. So we went back out there, we took care of him, we went out there to do the installation, and we ran into issues. So Chris Petrie sent another crew back out there, I believe it was Terrence and Hank, and they went out there and they got the job finished. Now, after the job was done, Mr. Mike called me. He absolutely loved the bathroom. But the most important thing is Mr. Mike he's passed away this year. But what that allowed for him and his family is, it allowed for him to stay home for the last year of his life.
So, my mom passed from Parkinson's, as you know, so I'm, familiar with that and the struggles with it, and that touched me. I have a question for you.
Mm-hmm.
What you just said about running into a customer and having some maybe issues, trying to figure it out, everyone coming together to figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
Does that just happen with your uncle?
Oh, absolutely not. We do it every day on a daily basis. And it's just part of really why I think we're special, because we find ways to help our customers and find ways to say yes, rather than go the opposite direction.
Yeah, I tell you, I guess almost like the love we have for their customers and taking care of them shows all the time. And it's like, we've done work for a lot of people's family members, but it's incredible what probably once or twice a week, something like that comes out.
Absolutely. We hear sales stories all the time in our weekly meetings.
Yeah.
About different ways that we help customers and help keep families together.
Yeah, cool. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Appreciate
you're welcome. And wait, how long have you been here?
9 years.
9 years. 9 years. So look, find out more. It's easy. MaxHome.com, and thanks for spending the time with us.
MaxHome, making homes happier.